Are you freaking? Can you tell me like some of your family?
What is going on? It's your boy Anza the Don. So, 2021 has come to an end, and I decided to ask a few of my friends how their 2021 has been. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Also, fireworks at the end of the video. Jasmine, how many people did you piss off in 2021?
It's countless, man. I only crashed 4 cars so far. So on the end of the year, I just spam my end of the car to a rubbish bin with a direction sign next to it, so it's scratched.
That's kind of, you're answering a question that I didn't ask.
No, it's my end of year.
Next question, how many new friends did you make in 2021?
Probably a lot more than 2020.
Okay, that's good. But what if you only made like 2 friends in 2020? That means if you made 3 friends in 2021, then that's still more.
I got Fahim, I got you, I got Jeff.
You don't have to name the names, just give me a number.
I don't know the number.
Okay. How many enemies did you make in 2021?
That is even more than
Oh, okay, this one. Next question. How many failed romances did you have in 2021?
Just one.
Just one?
Failed one, yeah.
Okay, so all the other guys
I
were
failed
just
them.
like nothing.
No, what? Do you mean that the one that I failed them or they failed me? Or
Either, both.
Then I don't remember.
You don't remember? Lost count after about 33? You just, I'm not going to count anymore?
Yeah, exactly.
Alright, and give me some advice for 2022. Or give the people some advice for 2022. It can be anything. No, answer the question again. Answer the question again.
That's the answer.
I'm just gonna cut that out. It can be basic or very deep, whatever you want. Bubble. Do you have any advice for the people in 2022?
Don't be scared.
So, Will, how many people did you piss off this year?
Like, I'd say double digits.
Double digits? Yeah. Almost near 100 or? Okay, but how many new friends did you make this year, would you say?
Double digits.
Double digits?
Yeah.
Okay. How many failed romances did you have this year, Will? Now you can interpret that however you want. 4? 4? Yeah. 4, okay. 4. What are their names, Will?
3.
3?
I won't say the name.
Yeah, no, yeah, I'm fucking, yeah.
Yeah, I joined the Dead Dad Club this year.
That's good to know, man. Will, how many times did you eat Korean food this year?
Oh, fuck. More than 50, I'd say.
More than 50? Damn, man. That means you would have went out like almost every week. That's a lot of time.
I eat a lot of Korean food.
Out of all the cuisines there are in the world, Korean was the most that you ate this year?
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you put on weight or lost weight since the start of the year?
I put on a lot of weight in quarantine.
Yeah.
I put on 5 kilos in 2 weeks. Then I've lost it again, and over Christmas I've gained it again. Yeah.
Okay. And give me some advice, Will, about anything.
Don't shoot videos like this.
And I'm going to ask her questions about her 2021. Janice, how many people did you piss off this year?
Probably everyone I've met.
If you had to give me a number, what would that number be? Would it be double digits or single digits? Double digits?
Well, you think I've only met 9 people this year?
So she's on here. She's on every dating app. Every dating app there is, bro.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, okay, next
Wait,
question.
just step back a bit.
How many
Views, bro.
how many new friends did you make this year?
So, how many people here can I call my friends?
If you can name everyone here, that counts as a friend.
Alright, so Patrick, Yanni, Melody,
2, 3, 4.
Caitlin. Yeah.
4 people. You know,
Chris and
you said Adeline.
Will and she didn't introduce herself.
You know, you can totally lie to me. I can't prove you wrong. Okay, next question. How many romantic failures did you have this year? 3? Very, very, very specific.
Under 10.
Should I? If you said double digits, I would be like, she really is on all the dating apps.
Dating apps.
All
of them.
Okay. Some advice for 2022.
Ooh, that's pretty hard.
Just anything. It can be simple. It can be really deep. What about I give you some advice?
Yeah.
They think that you're crazy until you become successful,
Successful.
and then they consider you a genius.
That's pretty good advice.
Yeah. Now you need to
So
give me
we
some.
got to be crazy.
Hey.
So we got to be crazy.
Yeah, but you're not successful yet, so maybe you might be considered crazy for many
Forever.
years.
That's fine with me. That is fine with me.
Okay, now show me how excited you are for 2022.
It's pretty hard to show.
I mean, if you're not excited for it, you can just show me what depression looks like. If you are excited,
This
then
is new. That you excited about.
very excited. So you're kind of excited, but not quite
Yeah, I'm like,
doing star jumps like I'm gonna. Okay, okay. Who do you think has the most romantic failures out of those two? I can't remember, but. How many? Okay, easier question. How many people do you think Will has pissed off this year?
Probably 20.
20? He did say double digits. Do you think he has pissed off anyone that is here right now?
Yes.
Who?
You?
How many times do you think?
5 times.
Oh, not that much. Maybe once or twice. Do your impression of me, Will.
Oh, it's me, Yanni, bruh. I'm from Mackay, bruh. How much do you lift, bruh? Have you been benching, bruh?
That's Patrick, man. Patrick asked me how many times do you live.
Was that good? Was that good?
It was alright. It was alright.
You missed out. Jeff missed out.
Jeff, I want to ask you some questions about your 2021. Is that okay? How many people did you piss off this year?
Did I? Only one.
Only one? Who was that? Only one? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Are you sure you didn't piss me off?
Have
Because
I?
I don't know. I'm just saying.
You're supposed to want to answer me.
Answer you what?
Have I ever pissed you off?
Nah, you haven't.
Yeah.
How many new friends have you made this year?
Oh, I can't count it.
Can't count. Can't count.
Yeah.
So what? 100?
No, I think 17, 18?
Huh?
17 or 18?
17 or 18. Are those Doritos?
Yeah,
Masha soya? Enak sekali? Muy delicioso?
That's muito delicioso.
Okay. How many romantic failures have you had this year?
So, what was
It's just funny when I do this. Okay.
What was the question again?
Romantic failures.
So, how many times I failed?
Romantically.
One.
One time?
We gotta start saying, fuck these bitches, man. If you're fucking with a cool female, that's all good. But if you're fucking with a bitch,
Yeah.
you need to shake her ass and break her ass. That's
What
how
song
we're
is
doing it in the
That's
2-2.
That's
Okay.
what I need to do.
No, it doesn't. What song is that, Jeff?
Hello?
Patrick, how many people did you piss off this year?
Uncountable, bro.
Uncountable?
Uncountable.
I'm going to say that's about more than 100.
Probably.
Is what? Triple digits? How many people blocked you this year on social media?
That I know of, maybe 6.
6?
Maybe 6.
Oh, I got none. I had a few people unfollow me, but no blocks.
You're a good guy, bro. You're a good guy.
I'm okay, but there are some people better than me. Anyway,
You're the Pentecostal saint, bro.
I don't know what that means. What does that mean?
You're the pillar of chivalry and righteousness.
Am I? Am I? Okay, how many new friends did you make this year?
A lot.
A lot?
Yeah.
A lot?
Proper
That's
friends.
yeah. Okay,
Proper
that's
friends.
fair answer. Next,
That was the big change this year.
that's good. How many different types of drugs did you stop doing this year? I can't put that in. Hang on, I've got another question.
Yeah.
How many romantic failures did you have this year?
My parents tried to teach me for 4 years.
What's he consider a failure?
That's up to you, man. I mean, it can be like, I'm interested in this girl, and then you'd be like, hey, what you doing this weekend? She might ghost you. You can consider that a failure. Or it can be like, you can consider divorces only a failure.
2.
2? Ooh. Guys, look, guys.
21. Yeah.
Patrick meets 2 new girls every week, so that means if he has 2 failures, he must really like those 2 girls. Were they both Korean? Yes.
I plead the 5th.
Alright, and some advice for anyone that's going to watch this. Anything. It can be simple, it can be deep.
Can I quote a Dr. Seuss?
Yeah, go ahead. Anything.
Be who you are and say what you feel, because those who mind don't matter. And those
That's
who
where it
matter
came
don't
from.
mind.
But that's how I pissed people off. I just said what I felt, and they were like, fuck you, Yanni.
If people don't like you speaking your mind,
Yeah.
they're not meant to be.
2022. How many push-ups can you do? 14? Ah. Anyway, real questions. How many people did you piss off this year?
It's not yet. The good part's coming.
At least 2.
At least 2?
2 definitely.
2 definitely, yeah.
Oh, I know that one.
Did you piss them off more than once?
Indirectly, yeah.
Indirectly? It's always indirectly, right?
Yeah.
Were those people overly sensitive? Because I feel like they are.
One of them was, yeah.
Okay. Was it?
Actually, no, but
Yeah. Okay. How many new friends did you make this year?
what do we call a friend?
Whatever
How
you
close?
think. Whatever you think, man.
I'm gonna say 6.
6? Very specific number. Very specific. Only if your friends saw this video, they might think, oh, I wonder if I made that list. No, they didn't?
you.
Not me? Okay, that's fine.
I mean, no, you.
Yeah.
You, yes.
Yeah. What's my name? Oh, shit! Oh, shit! I'll give it to you. You can just call me Yanni.
Yanni.
And second last question. How many romantic failures did you have this year?
Romantic.
Failures.
I don't do romance.
You don't do romance? What do you do instead?
It's casual.
You just casual? Ah, there we go. That's a...
This one.
I haven't had anyone answer that question like that yet.
Right.
Last question. Give me some advice for 2022.
Stay away from the romance.
Stay away from the what?
The romance.
The romance. I'm a little bit of a simp sometimes though. 1 in every 10 girls, I would just like straight simp.
No, that's fair. 1 in
That's
every
fair.
10.
1 every 10.
Okay.
One,
No more
well,
than
maybe 1 in every 7, 8. That's still okay.
I'll do that.
Oh, well, thank you, man. I'm only a little bit simp. Thanks for the interview, mate.
That's all right.
How many people did you piss off in 2021?
I don't know. Do I piss off anybody?
I don't know.
I wouldn't know if they didn't have.
You don't know? Okay. How many new friends did you make in 2021?
Oh, I couldn't count.
Huh?
I couldn't count.
Can't count? You made so many friends you forgot. You can't remember their names.
I can't remember their names. I don't really.
Name one. Name 2.
Yanni.
That's not me.
Yanni. Yanni. That's one.
You made more than one friend with the same name as me.
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
How many failed romances did you have in 2021? Plenty? Double digits? Single digits?
Not double digits.
Not double digits?
Yeah, all good.
All good?
Yeah.
Okay. How many enemies did you make in 2021?
You're the first one?
I'm the first one. I'm the only one. Okay. Show me how excited you are for the fireworks. See, you can improvise because I did the same thing with Jeff. I'm like, show me how excited you are for the beach party, and he's just like, I don't know.
Oh, Jeff?
Yeah, Jeff. He's just like, I don't know. Come on, Jeff, improvise.
Maybe I should be a YouTuber.
Yeah. And give me some advice for next year. Anything you want.
What kind of advice?
Anything. It can be deep. It can be simple.
Just live your life, man.
So basic.
That's what life's supposed to be.
And what are you drinking?
Bubble tea.
Bubble tea. Yeah, like what flavor? What's in it?
What about mochi? Da something.
Okay. Oh, can you say Happy New Year in a language that's not English?
Selamat tahun baru.
No, that doesn't count. Can you say it in Spanish?
What's that?
Can you say it in French? Can you say it in Arabic? You can just make it up and I wouldn't be able to contest it.
Couldn't even make it DX.
Fair enough. I want to see you work your magic. Swapping from photo to video.
You don't really need to picture the whole thing. It's the big one.
How do you time the photo? Like what?
Just waiting for like a nice one.
That's a nice one. Is that a nice one? Pretty one.
Like you can just capture the video and then switch.
Yeah. Get it.
Like if they released all the faces.
Do you know how long it goes for? No, I'm just gonna get sore. My shoulder. I like that smell. You like that smell? I'm filming 5 minutes and that's it.
I think you want to film the last.
What?
I think you want to film the last. Like the last bit.
Yeah. All the smells that are bad for you are like